Hi, I am Ridwan. Today I will show how to create Elementor Pro widget with Cursor. It is my Elementor widget markup. So I render here style 1 style markup. There is my HTML markup. It is a fully static, not dynamically. So I build this with Elementor widget built with Cursor. Okay. Um, I reload. Okay. Where is blank? It is a blank section. Where is logo? Grid. It is my markup, so I can render here. Yes, it is perfectly show. Okay, image not showing because it is not a dynamically. Okay, I create a field. I don't need title, so I remove title section. Okay. No need padding. Okay, there is my stem static. So I make this dynamic with I make with cursor and AI. Okay, I use this to go to control section. It is my control section. Okay, there is my control section. I can tap here, enter, and control K. Okay, I still markup paste here and write a uh, condition. Okay, I need to tab name. Control tab tab and the end condition condition and prefix. Always use prefix because it is helpful. uh, Prefix is style 1. Okay, enter this. mm, view view this this HTML marker and make a elemental control repeater. We totally use a free Elementor widget. Use cursor. Okay. Repeater control. Okay, that is fine. Enter. Take a few minutes. My internet is okay. Okay, she is writing Elementor controls. There I upload my image, logos, and name something. I hope my internet is good. Just a minute. Okay, fine. She is complete my widget, so I can go to my Elementor editor panel, so I can reload this. She make this. Okay, I need images. Images. Okay, reload is finished. Now I am check this widget. Control is working. Auto text and logos. Okay, fine. So I go to select this control. Okay, and it is a static. Okay, this field already static, not a dynamic. So I can select this control because I implement need this control render here because I need image changeable. Okay, and all of this and select all, enter, just enter, nothing to say you, nothing to say here. Okay, just enter now. She's already know what doing I am and what happening here. Okay, she is forest loop rendering and complete this section. Okay, I hope it is dynamically done now. Again reload this. It is already complete now. I need something. It is okay. Fine. Elementor Pro widget complete with cursor. Try yourself. Okay.